What if our situation right now will last until the next 3 years? Are you guys ready? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Titapreneur. Your Tita is an entrepreneur. If you are new in my channel here, I'm trying to help small online sellers grow their business. Don't you know that there is a proposed House Bill 6623 that says New Normal Work Space and Public Spaces Act of 2020? And guys, even Speaker Cayetano stressed that our country cannot simply proceed as if things will go back to normal. And yung bill na to, ang purpose niya is to educate and prepare the Filipino public yung life after ma-lift yung COVID-19 restrictions. So, i-adapt natin yung new norm ng social distancing. And if ever napasa yung bill na to, this will last until the next 3 years, unless may ma-discover na vaccine for the coronavirus. So, guys, kaya nyo ba? Kaya nyo pa bang mabuhay ng ganitong klaseng pamumuhay for the next 3 years? So, guys, kung isa ka sa mga namumuhay pa rin sa nakaraan, teka, hindi ka ba na-inform? 2030 na kaya ngayon?
Surprise!
Now, kung hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-adapt and adjust sa sitwasyon natin ngayon, sa amin ngayon, don't worry. Maybe, just maybe, itong araw na to ang decision making mo. Na mag-adapt ka na nagbago na matanggap mo sa sarili mo na hindi na tayo namumuhay sa nakaraan. But don't worry, because today, I will be sharing with you the 5 not-so-secret ways on how to make money online. Very practical, have an immediate result and impact. It doesn't take years for you to learn. Even after this video, masimulan mo na to. Swear! And you can even work at the comfort of your home. Promise ko sa'yo yan. So, if you are interested, please click subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and click the small bell down below. So, how to make money online on social media. Of course, you will be needing cell phone or laptop and Wi-Fi. Given na yun, kasi nga sa online tayo magtatrabaho. Diba? Pero, merong dalawang importanteng bagay lang akong kakailangan. It's you and your decision to say yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so lahat ng i-share ko sa inyo today are proven and tested, working, and legit po. Because marami akong kilalang mga tao na ginagawa ang mga bagay na ito at siguradong kumikita talaga sila. But, please, 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 stay until the very end because this is my birthday vlog!
Happy birthday!
Okay, kunwari masaya tayo kahit mag-isa lang ako dito sa bahay. Yes, because at the end of this video, I will be announcing a very special giveaway para sa'yo or para sa friends mo or family members mo na nangangailangan ng negosyo. And it is for free. Yes, that's it. Okay. So, how to make money online? Number 1. Online learning or tutorial. Cooking, speech, English, photo editing, video editing, workout, dancing. So basically guys, kahit ano na pwedeng ituro online. Guys, lahat ng tao ngayon nabubulok na sa mga bahay nila and they are craving for some learning. Even marketing or for business, basta lahat po ng pwedeng matutunan online. Kahit cross-stitching para sa mga titang napag-iwanan na ng panahon. Yes! Pwede yun! So, guys, here's an example of a dear friend of mine, Gino. He is a choreographer. Nagtuturo siya ng dance classes privately online for beginners, advanced, and super advanced, even the tita levels. Tita-friendly si Gino. So, kumikita yan siya per head from I guess 400 to 800 depende kung anong klaseng level ng sayaw na papaturo niyo sa kanya. So, this is Gino. He is teaching online dance class. So, interesado kayo, you can connect with him, magpa-coach kayo sa kanya, magpaturo kayo paano, or maybe you can attend his class para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Sige. So, Number 2, copywriting. Descriptions, captions, blog, product description, audio script, video script. Hindi kailangan ng super English. May ibang mga business owners na pure Tagalog sila. Gusto nila ng funny, gusto nila ng makata, iba-iba. So guys, kung kaya nyong magsulat at kaya nyong mag-provide ng mga bagay-bagay at mag-close ng sales, why not? Here's another example. A very good friend of mine. Again, madami akong friends, guys. She is an amazing woman. Tina. She used to be a teacher. Now she's an educator, a freelance educator. She teaches English, calligraphy, but now he's into copywriting. Gumagawa siya ng product script, ng product descriptions, at kung ano-ano pa. And she is earning from 3,000 to 5,000 depende kung anong klase ng project niya. For simple projects like yung mga product scripts, hindi man simple, pero kaya-kaya niya kasing gawin ng mga 1 hanggang 2 oras lang eh. Diba? So kung marami kang time, guys, isipin mo ilang produkto ang kaya mong gawan ng copyright. Connect na kayo with team. Magpaturo kayo, magpa-coach kayo, or hindi kayong advice or insight, or maybe you can check her Instagram account para magkaroon kayo ng idea how to do the copywriting. And, choco butternut lang ang katapatin. Sabihin mo na yung pangalan ko. Sabihin mo, si Tita Primor ang nagsabi. So, go ahead guys, copywriting. Number 3 is the graphic design. Posters, banner, thumbnails, product launching, ads. Guys, anything na ginagawa natin sa graphic arts on social media, graphic artist ang kinakailangan dyan. Sobrang grabe na ng competition ng mga online merchants ngayon. Even the smallest and the biggest business owners are competing online kasi ito na ngayon ang place to be. So, these business owners need to stand out. Kaya, kumukuha sila ng mga graphic artists para gumawa ng mga graphic designs nila para mag-stand out ang mga produkto. So, here's another example of a dear friend. Sobrang guwapo. Kim. He is a graphic designer, but wait guys, he is actually a packaging engineer. Tapos, he does this graphic designing on the side lang guys, on the side. So, after work or before work, ginagawa niya to, and he is earning from 3,000 to 5,000 and can even go as high as 10,000. Lalo na mapapagawa ng mga logo and then series of ads. Nako! Kaya guys, walang rason para hindi tayo kumita online. Connect with Kim, paturo kayo sa kanya, o hingi kayong advice. Dito na to, milk tea lang din ang katapat niya. So, go ahead guys, graphic design. Number 4, live stream post. Sila yung mga nakikita natin na nagla-live stream sa Lazada, sa Shopee, sa IG, sa Facebook. Basically, sila yung parang sabi nga natin, nagla-live selling. But guys, for the big brands, these guys are being paid. Yes, bayad po yung mga nagbibenta-benta dyan online. Yung mga nag-explain ng mga products, kung anong gamit nito, para saan ito, sila po yan. So, here are my 2 friends on actions. It's Abet and Ken. Isa sila sa mga live stream host ng Lazada. I bet nakikita niyo na rin sila every now and then. Ginagawa nila to sa bahay lang nila guys, as in with their cellphone. So kung ikaw sa tingin mo kaya mo magbenta ng produkto, kaya mo i-convince yung mga tao, madaldal ka lang din naman, apply ka rin naman din na sa cellphone, go ahead, apply ka na ng live stream host. Makipag-connect kayo dito kay Abet and kay Ken, magpaturo kayo, hingi kayo advice, or observe nyo sila. Abangan nyo sila lagi sa mga live stream host nila, sa mga live stream hosting nila. And then, makakuha kayo ng idea. So, connect with these 2, mga tito ng mga yan. So, milk tea and coffee. Pagwapo nila, no? Single din yung mga yan. Number 5, dropshipping. You may heard this before, but baka blurry sa inyo or medyo confusing. So, basically, you will have a virtual online shop without the real product on hand. So, gawa ka ng online shop, pwedeng sa Facebook, pwedeng sa Instagram, pwedeng sa Shopify, pero wala kang hawak na produkto. Ang kailangan mo lang, ay supplier. Kung saan, kokopyahin mo yung mga pictures ng products niya and then ipopost mo sa online shop mo. And kapag may nakuha ka ng order, you communicate with your supplier and then si supplier, siya yung magpapack and magsisend ng items mo with your name as a sender. So, walang transaction si supplier and your customers. It's just you and the supplier. O, diba? Kumita ka ng walang kapital, ng walang kapagod-pagod, pinost mo lang yung mga photos nila. And because you've stayed until the very end of this video, sinabi ko kanina meron akong surprise. So, as way of giving back, I will be giving away 2 slots for our resellers. By the way, guys, we are selling Bangkok clothes. We're one of the suppliers of the Bangkok clothes here in Manila. So, we are giving away 2 slots of resellers who can enjoy drop shipping agad-agad next Sunday. So, ang gagawin niyo lang para makasali kayo dito is you have to share this video on your Facebook or Instagram, tag us Jujing or Jaja Bolos. Make sure it's public para ma-check namin. And then, comment down below why you deserve to be a reseller. Maybe you don't need this reselling business, pero baka si friend, si family member, or kung sino man sa mga kakilala mo ang nangangailangan nito, go ahead, share this video with. So there, 5 ways to make money online. I hope may na-draft kayo and sana after this video, makapag-isip-isip na kayo. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Stay home and keep safe.